morning. As promised, I am back with another video. We're just gonna do vlog style videos for right now. But I wanted to show you guys the progress on the place. So literally, I think the last time I filmed, there wasn't really any furniture in here. Well, we got furniture. So I wanted to share it with y'all. So, I mean, you guys already kind of like see the kitchen. Nothing to scream about right now. I do want to share with you guys my spice rack because I get a lot of questions about this on Instagram. So I figured we'll talk about the spice rack. We'll talk about what we've done in here so you guys can see. So this is our spice rack. He ordered a lot of this, like actually all of it off Amazon. It did not come with the spices, just the labels and the jars. And we ordered the rack. We filled the jars with all of the seasonings that we had. We're gonna have to re-up, obviously, because as you can see, a lot of these seasonings are kind of dwindling down. So yeah, but there's like actually way more labels that came with this, with way more seasonings, but we ran out of bottles. So we have to order more bottles, and then we'll be able to fill up this back row here. So as you can see, there's space for like a whole other row of seasonings. I plan to have this whole rack completely full. So that's why it looks like this right now. So I have all of the ones that I'm using right now up at the front. And then at some point, I will try and fill the other ones and have them behind. And then, yeah, let's show you the rest of the, So our table and chairs are from City Furniture. I'm absolutely obsessed with this situation here. The credenza or server or whatever, I don't know. I don't even know what this is called, but I call it a credenza, he calls it a server, whatever. This is also from City Furniture. It was a set. We just bought the whole thing. The mirror, the credenza, the table, the chairs, all of it's from City Furniture. We do not have a placemat over here because they only had 3 at the Walmart we were at. So we actually have to, actually let me move his charging thing here. So we only had 3 because Walmart only had 3. So we're gonna order a 4th. We're gonna buy a 4th one, but we're also gonna order 1 more chair for the table. So we might buy 2 more. So we need 5 placemats. And then over here is our little like server area. This right here is not gonna live here. This is actually for the pantry. My fiance just stuck it here for some reason. He bought me this cute little olive tree because I was like, I really want an olive tree. And he thought I meant something like this when I really meant something like this. So we will talk about this beauty right here in a second. Let's just talk about this. So in the credenza, I've got just some glasses and like just the stuff, you know, like plates and bowls and whatever, like the nicer stuff that we have. And then I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do with this area. Like as of right now, this is what's on it because this was some of the stuff he purchased. My mom made us that frame, so we put that there as well. And then we also hung the mirror the other day. And then he sent me this video today from Insta with these little, you know, the little lights that go on this. He wants to put them on the side. I can't explain what they look like. So I don't know if you guys can picture it. I guess they're sconces, like those, I think that's what they're called, sconces. They're gonna go on the side. I actually thought it was really cute, so we'll see, we might get there. All of this is from Walmart. Well, no, actually, this is from Walmart. This plate is from Walmart. This is from, where did we, I don't remember where we got the black plates, but I know it wasn't West Elm. We got this from West Elm. We got the napkins from West Elm. The cups were from West Elm. These are from Amazon. Those are actually our real plates. I mean, our real forks, spoons, and knives. And then, I don't remember where these black plates are from. I can't remember. I want to say like a store, a random store. But yeah, that's where those are from. And then he did the table. I did not do the table. Y'all know I love a good plate setting. If you've been an OG follower of mine, you know I love to decorate for the holidays or just in general. Like I love a plate setting. So it was a compromise giving this up because this is my wheelhouse. And I was like, no, I want to decorate the table, but you know what? you have to compromise. And he did a great job. I love it. I love the colors he chose. I knew I wanted to stay within cognac, so I just asked him to stay within the realm of these colors, and he nailed it, for me at least. And then these came yesterday, but we're probably gonna order one more. I wanted full-size cognac counter stools, but we don't have that much space, so that wouldn't have worked out. So we had to do the ones that kind of sit under the counter. So yeah, there's that. And then let's talk about this tree, because this is the chef's kiss. So this is from Costco. Listen, you guys, what I went through to get this tree, insane, but it's absolutely beautiful. It was worth it. I will insert a little video of me putting it together. It was super easy to assemble. You guys will love it if you order it. I would suggest finding it at your local Costco because it is very expensive online. It was almost like $600 with shipping and tax and all that. So just buy it in store. It was like $3.79 in store. So way, way cheaper. I suggest going to your local Costco. If you don't have a membership, get a membership. We got a membership just so we could buy this tree. A little crazy, but I really wanted it, and it looks fantastic in here. So it goes with the vibes. So yeah. It has like the fake dirt on the inside. Obsessed. And it's a fake tree, but it looks super realistic. So the baby tree is still gonna live there. It's mama and baby. And I told my fiance, I was like, when we have a kid, I'll put it in our like baby's room. So it'll be the baby tree. This is the mama tree, and I'm like obsessed. I love her. She's gonna live right there in that corner. And then we have the couch, the infamous sofa. Let me open the blinds so I could show you guys, or at least, yeah. Now that we have some sunlight coming in. This is the infamous sofa. I've gotten so many comments and questions. We're gonna fix the rug, don't worry. The sofa is really heavy. This is a heavy couch. So it has been a job trying to put the rug under it. We wanna move it over more. As of right now, it's gonna live right here until we can do that. But this entire couch reclines except for these two. So this reclines, that reclines, and that reclines. Obsessed. It also has a charging port here with the buttons to recline the couch, and then the pillows are like cognac leather, and then this is like I want to say like a suede velvet situation. And then we got all of these pillows and pillowcases from Amazon. I'll link everything below that I can link. The tree, all of it, I will link it all. The tree is sold out online, but good luck. That's why I said call your local Costco, because you will have a hard time finding it. Everyone is DMing me telling me they cannot find this tree. It is sold out. Yeah, so these are the pillows. These came with the couch. This one we ordered as well. We ordered these two. This also came with the couch, but here, I'll show you guys how the reclining situation works. I guess I'll do it on this side because it's a little easier. Here we go. So the couch reclines like this. The head lifts, it can go all the way down like this, or you can move it back up. And then the top of the couch, hold on, I'm trying to find the button. See? This lifts up as well, so you can just rest your head on it. I don't know if you can see the difference here. There we go. So I'm obsessed. All right, so that's how the couch works. I'm literally obsessed with everything. I love it all. And then we've got this beauty over here in the corner. Our TV stand has not come yet. Don't mind this. My fiance, funny story. I actually have a video on my Instagram if you want to see it. He created this to go in the middle of the table. It was just way too big, and I didn't really care for it. I don't mind this part, but I wasn't feeling this. So right now it's living right here in the corner. He actually said he wants to put it on our patio, so it'll probably go on our patio when we do our patio. But as of right now, she's just living over here. But that's what she is for. She is from. Our TV stand is gonna go here. So I'm probably gonna let this sit on our TV stand. This is the hotel collection diffuser. It can also go into your vents. It comes with a tube that will go into your vents. We have not done it that way because our apartment isn't like the biggest. Like if we had a house, then maybe. But we just stuck it here, and the whole entire house smells amazing. It comes with all these scents, and your house will just smell like fantastic when you walk in the door. So yeah, gotta get one of those. I will link that below. I may have a coupon code for it. I'm not sure. I had a hotel collection coupon code last year. I don't know if it has expired, but I will look into that for you guys. Right now, see, it's pushing the scent out into the room. And then there's no sense in showing you, not being funny, but showing you the scents. Like, I'll show you what they have. I think my fiance keeps them in this drawer. Yeah. So they come with these different smells from different hotels. This one is the Sweetest Taboo. This one is Escapade. This one is My Way, which is, I think, is their most famous scent. And then, oh, that burn looks so bad, you guys. Oh. And then this one is Dream On. So these are the scents. Right now, I think we have the one from the Edition Hotel. We have that one in because that's the hotel that we met each other at, kinda. Well, not we spent our first weekend at that hotel together. So yeah, we have that scent in there. But yeah, these are the scents. We keep them in here, and we are on a monthly subscription for it. So this is our knife set. I get a lot of questions about it. It's from a brand called SS or something like that on Amazon. They're very good knives. They're a little more on the, I think they're like $100. I don't think they were anything more than that. If they were, I apologize, but I will link them below. But they're very good knives. You do not put them in the dishwasher, which most people know, cook, or just know you don't want to dull them. So we just wash them by hand, but we love them. And then these are also from, I think these are also from that brand, or some, I don't know. I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, so so we kind of wanted to just keep that gold vibe going on in the kitchen, and we kind of stuck with it. So yeah, this is everything as of right now. As things progress, I will share them with you guys. We are going to order some pictures to go on this wall, and then our TV stand, and then we have a projector TV situation happening here in a couple of weeks. So when everything arrives, I will share it with you guys. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna go because I need to run to Target really quickly. I would take you guys on that. It'll probably be in the next vlog. But I just wanted to like show you guys the progress and like things we're doing as they're happening versus like in the past. I think in my old videos, I would just show you everything already done, but I really wanted to kind of show the building phase of everything. So that's where we're at right now. I am extremely tired, as you can see. You can see the bags. We gotta work on that. But yeah, I just wanted to say I love you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them underneath the video. I will link everything that I can underneath this video so that you guys can purchase anything that you see. Again, I can't promise you guys anything about the tree because that has been like pulling teeth. It was even hard for me to get. It's been sold out everywhere at all the Costco's. So I don't know, but the couch, I didn't tell you where the couch was from. The couch is actually from American Signature Furniture. So if you're looking for that, I will link that below as well. And then, all the other stuff is from City Furniture. So love you guys. See you in my next video.